Today we're talking about mitigation pleas and specifically restitution. What exactly is restitution? Why should you talk about it in your mitigation plea? And what should you say? How is it helpful? When you're preparing your mitigation plea and presenting it to the court, you should give information relating to the incident that resulted in the offence being committed. Restitution is an issue that comes up if your offence involves theft or an offence of dishonesty, or if you're involved in having taken the property belonging to others. Restitution really means compensation. It means paying back to the victim or the person who has lost the property or the monies what you have taken from them. This is restitution, and it is important to address this issue in your mitigation plea. Specifically, restitution is something that you must try your best to do because it is something that the court can take into account in considering whether to lower the amount of punishment that they will impose. For example, if you have made full or partial restitution, this is something that the judge can consider in deciding whether or not to impose a higher or lower punishment. When you make the restitution is also equally important. If you've made the restitution very early on, maybe even before you were charged with the offence, this is something that is very helpful and the court can take this into account. Generally, restitution can help to persuade the court to impose a lower sentence. You can do it by yourself or through a lawyer's help. But it is very important to make sure that you have some form of acknowledgement for the restitution that you have made. Otherwise, there is no proof that you have repaid these monies. So in summary, 2 things that you should know about restitution. It is important for the court to know whether you have made the restitution and how much of the restitution you have made, whether it's in full or whether it's partial, and when you made it. The second thing to bear in mind is to have proof and some form of acknowledgement of the restitution. So there you have it, mitigation pleas and specifically restitution and why it is important to address this issue. I hope this has been helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and to follow us on Facebook for more updates. See you soon. Bye-bye.